Then in chapter 7, Jesus argues with his brothers, argues with the crowd, and argues among the leaders. So in chapter 7, if you really want to see Jesus sort of get contentious, you get that opportunity. A lot of times we think of Jesus as just this get along with everybody, bringing peace. Well, not always. Check out chapter 7. Then in chapter 8, you have Jesus where he refused to condemn an adulterous woman and then preaches at the temple. So one of the best chapters in the entire Bible is just when he begins to just preach. And so the Gospels give you more and more room as that happens. So I'm pretty excited about that. Take some time, look through these chapters 5, 6, 7, and 8. You're going to really get to see how Jesus begins to prove who he is in different ways. And what's cool is he's not necessarily the way that you would think he is. He is definitely his own person. He's not who we tell him to be.